Ooh. We're getting frisky this morning.
Ooh, that was a finger.
That's okay. You got 9 more. You're fine.
Well, actually, you don't have 9 more. You have a pinky, an index, a thumb. So that rules out 2. You're down to 7. Now you're down to 5.
These are all fingers.
This is a pinky.
Thumb.
This
Pinky
is a thumb. So
finger.
this your concept of 9 more fingers. You have 2 thumbs, so that rules that out immediately.
Can I give you one?
Yes, you can give me 1. Have 1 will travel.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's have gun will travel. So some slight modification to a.
Everything is slight modification.
Yeah.
I mean, you know.
Well, yeah. So some slight modification, and we have some already preset holes that we didn't do.
Yeah, those are
that
from
are
the
threaded.
old bracket.
Yeah, and bam.
Yeah, that's gonna be perfect for our wiring.
Yep. So it makes our wiring as minimal as possible, which is really cool.
Scotty likes minimal.
Well, not really.
Well.
So, just a recap of yesterday. Here's our wiring for our sensor, which
That's our temperature sensor.
works out perfect.
Yeah, that's our temp sensor.
Yep.
We do get to run one more.
Here is our keyed power.
Fun.
Here is our constant power.
Yeah. Actually, we have to run 2 more wires.
What 2 more wires do we need to
We
run?
need to run a ground from the battery to this, and then we need to run an HVAC trigger for the compressor.
Which is nice because that's right here.
From the compressor. Oh, you know what? Duh, that's the switch. I could just daisy off of that.
Should you have been a natural blonde?
The carpet matches the drapes, bitch.
The only problem is you can't figure out where the carpet or the drapes are.
It's a solid. It's like
You make
like,
Chewbacca look like he has no hair.
damn. Savagery. What? You kissed it a little bit?
Yeah, but it was enough that it hit something. You gotta remember, dude, I'm old.
You are old. Ooh, there's the new expansion.
good. Shut up, I heard you thinking.
Sure you do. There's the new expansion tank we ordered because the one that was in here was, well, fucked.
Yeah.
So this is the one we use in everything. It's a Dorman. It's really nice, actually. Yeah. So I just need to figure out if they routed this positive or ground on the pressure switch. I'm assuming positive, like Wix is positive.
Yeah.
Most of them are. So we can just daisy chain into that and be
Bada bing, bada boom.
done. All right. Easy. So I still need to run a ground wire. But
From where to where?
battery to up here.
Okay, I'll get it.
Yeah, Scotty, you're good at that. And with that, we're gonna carry on. Should I sing, Xander, or no?
Yeah,
I should sing?
yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah, I'm sure.
He's effing with me already. I'll save that for the next video.